Welcome, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. Guess what time it is? It looks like the mailman delivered my Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler for November just a little bit earlier than normal. So I'm filming it within the month of November. It's awesome, and I can't wait for you to join me because this is a good box. Hope you'll join me. Welcome back! I'm so excited you decided to join me for the unboxing of the November 2023 Sew Sampler box by the Fat Quarter Shop. Just like the last several boxes, this one is really awesome, and one of my favorite designers' fabric is featured in this box, and you will find out what that is in just one moment. Once again, everybody, I really appreciate you joining me on my journey here on my YouTube channel. I am evolving, I'm making more content. You notice that I've just posted 2 videos in the month of November, and this might be a 3rd. So remember, if you like what you see today, please give me a thumbs up and leave comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really like to have you along with my journey. And just a simple reminder, everybody, I am not sponsored by the Fat Quarter Shop. I pay for all my boxes, and I love paying them for these boxes. This is the best subscription box for fabric, quilting, and notions that you can find anywhere. If you want to check out the subscription for yourself, please go to fatquartershop.com and find Sew Sampler and get on board. You're gonna love it. Okay, let's get started and open the box. What do we got here? Friends Forever. How sweet is that? And even though I can't show you the coupon on the back, I can tell you that it's a really good promotion. It is a coupon for 15% off Fat Quarter bundles until January. I'm gonna have to check that out. And of course, with every Sew Sampler box, you get a beautiful leaflet that shows a description of everything that's in the box along with its prices. And it's the descriptions I read when I show you the items in the box. So the first item is something we all use as quilters, and I do a lot of craft projects, and where there's a lot of thickness in my themes, these are the best tools ever, especially when a pin can't work well for your project. Wonder Clips by Clover. We never stop feeling wonder for the Wonder Clips. These wonderful clips are sturdy and perfect for binding, EPP, and textiles like flannel where pins just don't cut it. Basically, this beloved basic has so many uses and belongs in every sewing kit. It's valued at $6.48. Love these. And I always love to have more. If anything, I can give them away as gifts for some of my friends that are starting to do quilting as well. The next item in this box is something we have asked Fat Quarter Shop for with Sew Sampler, and this year they have prevailed. I can tell you about 4 other boxes I've had this year that have thread in it. And we have some more thread, you guys. I love it. Variegated Dusty Rose Metler 100% cotton silk finish thread. This 50 weight thread will keep things fresh and fun in the sewing room. This light variegated pink hue from Metler is sweet and strong, but won't overpower your fabrics. With 109 yards on a spool, you can use it to piece or quilt for a light pop of happy color on your next quilt, valued at $3.48. Variegated thread is a lot of fun to have around, especially if you do decorative stitches with your plethora of decorative stitches on your sewing machine if you have that. So many people say, well, I don't use the decorative stitches. Put variegated thread through them and you'll see how beautiful they are. Decorative stitches are great for putting on the front of a panel, maybe for a pillow or for a bag. You can also use them on your quilt projects as well. Have fun with the variegated thread in this box, and I have a feeling we might be able to use it for a project that's in here. The next item in this box was really cool and very thoughtful. So many times we make quilts and we don't know how to hang them on the wall and mount them. So Fat Quarter Shop, kudos for you for providing us with that very tool. Set of Tool Small Light Wood Classy Clamps by Precision Quilting Tools for Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Laying quilts on the floor is sure to incur the quilty pet tax. Avoid it with this easy quilt hanging system. Classy clamps from Precision Quilting Tools are a quick and attractive way to hang your quilt. Follow the instructions to use the included clamps and screws to hang anything up to a 1/4 inch thick. It's simply the perfect solution, a value of $13.74. I have a feeling these products know a theme that's coming in this box with the word purr. Well, obviously, Fur Friends Forever is the theme, so I'm curious to see what the fabric is. Okay, the next item in the box is a pattern, and it's the Quilt Along pattern. Oh boy, I think I can finally say this with ease. Here we go. Guess what, everybody? It's the Pressed Flowers Quilt Along, block number 8. Wow, there's only 4 more to go. The Pressed Flowers Quilt Along is in full bloom. This garden-themed quilt by Fat Quarter Shop features Sugarberry by Bunny Hill Designs, 4 motif fabrics, and it will bring some fresh-cut flair that you can keep forever. Find all the previous block patterns at the Fat Quarter Shop, valued at $4.98. And this one is called the Forget-Me-Not block. Very cute. How many of you have done the Quilt Along in a Fat Quarter Shop box? Please leave in the comments below if you've done any of the quilt patterns. I know I have some friends that are doing it, and it's really awesome to see what they're coming up with. And of course, with every Fat Quarter Shop box, we get a pattern, and this pattern is also exclusive, along with the fabric that's in this box. Balcony Quilt Pattern by the Fat Quarter Shop. This quilt pattern is so simple yet sophisticated, you'll be shouting in from the balconies. The Balcony pattern by Fat Quarter Shop shows instructions for 3 sizes and is just the design that flaunt the full-size prints in the Besties bundle from this month's box. From these little beasts, you can create so much beauty. Limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop. It's really cute. Oh my goodness, you guys, these patterns are amazing. I wish I could show you the pattern on the inside. And what's nice on the back side, it'll show you what else you need to finish the back. Usually you'll need background fabric, binding, and backing. So let's talk about the fabric that's in here. Now you guys all know I'm a huge Tula Pink fan. I have been for a very long time. You might have seen my video. That was the fond farewell to my Tula Pink Bernina machine. Still kind of brokenhearted over it, but I'm getting over it with the new Bernina Pro. So I'm feeling good, but I do love her as a designer, and I will continue to still buy her fabrics when I find something that I like. And I love her colors. We've talked about her colorway before. And this is just one of the coolest Fat Quarter bundles I've seen from Tula Pink in a long time. Balcony Besties Fat Quarter Bundle by Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics. Some friendships last forever. The Besties collection by Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics pays homage to our constant quilting companions and other fuzzy friends. This set of 9 Fat Quarter bundles showcases all the prints in the line, including Tula's trademark hidden menagerie. With a myriad of bright colors and hints of gold metallic, this fabric is sure to make a pawsome impression. The value of this bundle is $32.98. This box rocks, Fat Quarter Shop. I love Free Spirit Fabrics because the quality of the fabric is exceptional. I also like how smooth and soft the fabric feels. Their color saturation is marvelous. Now you guys know I'm a Moda fan, but I love high quality fabric, and Free Spirit is definitely up there. So let's go through the bundle. I'm going to go ahead and remove part of the ribbon here. Wow. Wasn't that cool? I can't wait to work with those. I have some projects in mind. Not the quilt in the box, but definitely some other projects. And that leads me to another discovery. This past week, I went to go visit my friends at Bigsby Sewing. You know I talk about them a lot because they're my favorite sewing machine dealer for Bernina here in town, and they're really good friends of mine. And I went to go visit them this past week. And I have found some of Tula Pink's new fabric collection here. And I just couldn't resist this, you guys. Whenever I see fabric that I like and I don't know what to do with it, I usually get a half a yard to a yard. But I got a half a yard. And this is a part of the Besties collection. Look at how cute this is, you guys. Look at the cats. I thought of my mom right away because of the cats. And they do have this in a pink background as well. But I really like the MC Escher background with the cats kind of floating all over the place, climbing up and down the stairs and on the cubes. It's so cute. So whenever I want to use fabric like this for something other than quilting, I usually get a fusible stabilizer for the back side. Generally, Pellon makes a couple products that have a nice thickness, so if I want to make it into a tote bag, I would use a little bit of a stabilizer or interfacing, fuse it to the back to give it a little bit more stiffness for my project. Works out great. This also would make a really cute quilted bag too. So I have some ideas in my head, but I just thought it was funny that I bought this fabric this past week at Bixby's, and guess what came in my box? I got a fat quarter of that fabric as well. So who knows? Maybe I could use this fabric and use this for the backing. That would be kind of neat too. Cool. So what do you guys think? Is this box for November 2023 a hit? Are these friends forever going to be friends for you forever? I think this is one of the better boxes that Fat Quarter Shop has come out with this past year. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop, for giving us amazing Sew Sampler boxes. Now, I didn't come up with the total this time around. I'm so sorry, you guys, but the value of this box surpasses any dollar amount just because everything in this box is something I want and will use. That to me is invaluable. I pay $29 plus tax and shipping. It comes to $36.95 every month for this box. The Fat Quarter bundle in here is worth most of that money, and I can't be happier. This is really cool. Well, thank you so much for joining me on the unboxing for Sew Sampler November 2023. This box was fantastic, and I really do appreciate you spending time with me here on my YouTube channel. I'm doing some new things. I'm sure you saw some things in my live videos that I got a 3D printer. Well, this has been a long overdue idea I've had for my sewing room. You're all going to be thinking, uh-oh, he's gone off the deep end. He's doing 3D printing. 3D printers are a way of creating tools and accessories that you can use in your house, as well as things in your craft room. And let me tell you, organization is one of those things that we have difficulties overcoming and making it work. You can 3D print all sorts of organizers, dividers, things that work in drawers that have custom sizes that you're not able to find in the store. You can print them. And there's a whole world of makers out there that have been established for over the last 10 years, like Thingiverse and Printables. There are thousands of designs you can just download on your phone and send to your printer. I got the Anker Make M5C that works with your phone's software. It's amazing and so simple to use. As a matter of fact, I printed this really cute vase and I thought, let's use this for your tools in your craft room. I mean, how cute is this? It took 1 hour and 10 minutes to make this. I can't get over this. And I love this blue. You know, this is one of my favorite blue colors. It's so much fun. And like a sewing machine, you get filament that's made out of polylactic acid, and you just put it through the printer and it comes out. It's like if you know how to sew and thread a machine, you can thread a 3D printer. It's pretty funny and I love it. So stay tuned for some things about that. I just want to make sure you know, nope, I didn't go off the deep end. I'm serious about it because once I realized how much it costs to buy rulers for your sewing machine to do quilting, they're like $80 a piece made out of acrylic. You can go online and download the designs and print them. And the material is durable enough to use it with your ruler work foot on your sewing machine. It's just really cool, something out of the box. If we can do embroidery on our embroidery machines, we can certainly print up something that we can use in our sewing room to create more tools. So that is the logic behind it. Stay tuned for more about that. I probably won't do a video on it until next year. Also, I'm working on a card making video. Yes, you heard it. Stamping Scott's working on some holiday cards. I'm going to try very hard to get them up and running in December. So stay tuned for that. Once again, everybody, thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. You know I love having you here. Remember to give me a thumbs up and leave comments below. I am here to cultivate a community of kindness and sharing, so please follow me, share my videos on your social media pages. Let people know the Quilting Camper is here. I love having you here, and thank you. Remember to find me on my blog, thequiltingcamper.com, to find the latest things I'm working on. Thanks, everyone, and have an awesome night. Be well. Happy holidays. Bye for now. As quilters, we all find this to be one of our favorite and most valuable items. Let's do that again. Ooh, let's play with this. Let's play tag with the insert. Just like, woohoo! This quilt pattern is so simple yet sophisticated. Here we go. So if I want to use this for, like, whoops, something fell. Whoopsies. Balcony Besties from Fat Quarter Shop. Nope. Balcony Besties Fat Quarter Shop Bundle by Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics pays homage to our constant quilting company. Oh my goodness. Okay. I got this. I can do this. Fat Quarter Shop, I got this. I can read this. I promise. I love Free Spirit Fabrics because it's one of the softest feeling, smoothest. I love Free Spirit Fabrics because I feel like I'm shooting a commercial. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.